of this baseless debate about who the greatest footballer of all time is, the king himself, Narantes do Nascimento, a.k.a. Pele, has exited the stage. Almost 50 years after retiring from the game, Pele is still universally regarded as the greatest player ever. And Pele's greatness was not based on advocacy and people trying to change facts and tearing down other players and moving the goalposts. Pele made his football do the talking. Still, the only player to have ever won 3 World Cup titles, the youngest player to have ever scored in a World Cup final and to lift the trophy. Pele scored almost a goal a game in over 1,300 games, including 77 in 92 for Brazil. Pele was a runner, a dribbler, a passer, a kicker with both feet, a header, a skill merchant, and the brains box on the football field. His game had no weakness. Aptly named the footballer of the century, Pele did it as a black man when the world was much more bitter and racist than it is now. When defenders had a free rein to hack down attacking players without consequence. So when all is said and done, the legend, the king, and still the undisputed greatest player of all time, King Pele.